So, we will open up the forum now to 3 to 5 questions, please. Yeah. Yeah. First question here, second, third, fourth. Yeah. Right. Choose your pick.
My name is Krishan Khanna. I am on the national panel of CII on skills and education. And actually, I just wanted to share one observation and get an answer maybe from our distinguished panelists from IGNOU. China has 5 lakh vocational training centers. They train 90 million people per year. A small country like Germany, which is smaller than AP, 8 crore population, has 1 lakh centers, and they train 3 million people per year. China, 3.5 lakh centers are in rural China. Now, I have been involved with vocational training for 18 years now, through various bodies. I have not come across agricultural, the ITIs have, courses for manufacturing and services. And the question is, our school dropout rate is 90%. And the 90% who drop out in school, I'm talking of class 1 to 12. So the central government has no plans for the dropout. The state governments also have no plans for the 90% who drop out. Unfortunately, the civil society also have no plans for the dropout. All that the parent says, "Ye mera bacha nalayak hai, useless hai," because we have not understood the concept of multiple intelligence and all that. Everybody must do science, everybody must become doctor, or everybody must become engineer only. And today, if you want a good welder, it costs 1 lakh rupees per month. Now, the question is this, that in agriculture, where 60% of our people work, we don't have courses. And unfortunately, we don't have courses in Indian languages. I know NIMI what they do. Courses are in English or in Hindi. It is expected that the state governments will translate. So then there is a state center, dialogue going on. Because I deal with all these organizations. And the question is this, 93% of Indians don't understand English, which is a great opportunity for Vivek, of course, in terms of business. But the question is this, that you don't expect our population to learn English when they can't even use their mother tongue. So my question to you, sir, is this, that can we do something in IGNOU so that we can, because an average farmer in China, his productivity is 300% of an Indian farmer. China, with arable land, 70% of India produces double the amount of food grain. There's no use giving microfinance to farmers. They'll commit suicide. They don't know how to use the money. They have not been trained. So my earnest request, sir, to you is, because we have made, because I was on the planning commission on skills, and so we are now through CII urging the planning commission that they should set up 2.5 lakh vocational centers in all the panchayats, starting with, he's teaching them, BPO and all that, because BPO and the entire industry of IT employs 1 crore people only. Out of 51 crore employed people in India, 1 crore are in IT. So 50 crore are non-IT people. So we need to look at agriculture. And my earnest request was that whether you have some plans for that. And we need to go to regional languages, not in English,
Thank you very much, sir, for your feedback.
This particularly Sarjana, sir.
Let me...
fine, sir.
Thank you very much, sir, for your feedback. But I think you are aware that IGNOU has now got School of Agriculture also. And it's a new school which has come some 4 or 5 years back. And Professor Saluja, who has taken over as the director over there, is designing programs in the field of agriculture also. I think Yashwantrao Chauhan Open University at Nasik has designed quite a number of programs for farmers, all that. And they are offering, as I was earlier there working at Pune as with IGNOU only, I am aware that YCMU is doing very good work for farmers, and they have launched quite a number of programs in the field of agriculture. So since we also have got School of Agriculture, so your feedback is well taken that we need to do something, because ours is more an agriculture based country, though we are changing towards this IT sector and other things. But your suggestion is well taken, and the feedback can be given to headquarters also, though we have got some of the programs for School of Agriculture. But, yeah?
CPF is not
Yeah, that is a certificate in poultry farming. It's a new program which is launched, but yet it's not activated in Hyderabad also, but it's likely to be activated. My colleague Dr. Sharma, who is also here, he has undertaken the task of getting one of the courses translated into English, that is certificate in poultry farming. So in Telugu language. So this course is, and the other program, diploma in dairy technology, which is also offered by School of Agriculture, is also on the translation, and we have given it to the Vijaya Training Center at Hyderabad. It is getting translated into Telugu, and we are told that this dairy technology has got ample opportunities for the people to get absorbed, and we are on the discussion with the Vijaya Training Center. There the IAS officer is the head, that it should open up. Right now they are sponsoring the candidates of training centers from their Vijaya Training Center to get trained into dairy technology practices. But it will be open. Earlier we had our center at Kamareddy in the rural place only. So that is also coming up. So many programs are coming up with regard to School of Agriculture. And maybe with the second thought that the most of the programs should be translated. It's well taken. It should be translated. But the mandate that was given to IGNOU earlier was that it should offer programs only in English and Hindi medium. But now the Vice Chancellor has realized that though the mandate is for English and Hindi medium, but if the need is, then we can go for translation for the programs which are not offered by the state universities. Because we are not directly going into competition with the state open universities, because at Hyderabad we have got Dr. Ambedkar Open University also, which is offering programs in Telugu medium. As Dr. Jaina also has put it, we have got 13 state universities which are offering programs in the regional medium. So naturally the mandate for the national open universities to offer programs in English and Hindi medium. But yet some of the programs which are not available in the state open universities, we can always design them, develop them, get them translated. And some of the programs, say for instance, we have got programs available in Assamese. Then recently, Dr. Sharma, what was that program which is now getting translated into Malayalam? That's last time we had teleconference for that also. Mushroom cultivation. That is also there.
Agriculture part, which Professor Hansra is looking at.
Yeah, so that way we are doing it, sir. And
education and training only for the agriculture part of it, for the Northeast.
Well, since we are in eINDIA, I'll just give you some good news. We have a platform, our company, which recognizes 11 Indian languages, and we can teach using artificial intelligence. At least it can be used for training of teachers and for capacity building. So we'll talk to you later on that.
Yes.
Next question.
Thank you, sir.
Next question, yeah, please.
I want to share my experiences regarding this vocational skill and employable skill.
Very brief.
Yes, sir, very brief. And it will be rather fruitful for the society, as I think. Basically, when you are talking about the vocational skill, school to work, college to career, in all the field, some basic skills are required. Here I want to request Dr. Jena that they should develop one diploma course that is in diploma in job ready skill, which will be fruitful for all the persons, whether they are from the medical field, from the engineering field, or they are from remote areas. That is, sir, this is numerical ability. Second one is ICT competency. Third one is language proficiency. Fourth one is financial literacy. Government is also, Pranav Banerjee, last time they have told that they are going to give the emphasis on financial mission also, financial literacy. And apart from this, this soft skill, that is stress management, time management, likewise. And this one paper should be on entrepreneur. You know, sir, that MSME, they are promoting the SME in big way. We should train the people not to get the job somewhere. They should be in the position to get the employment themselves. And government is giving the subsidy in heavy way. One question from your side, Sarkozy sir, that you are not adopting the PPP model. If you really want to serve the society, it's my earnest request to you to start your model at PP model. Thank you, sir.
Organization, you achieved some numbers, but don't you think with 90 million dropouts and people who are not committed there, you should go for a scale. Scale can come only with working with private sectors. Today, to tie up for your center is one year to go. Suppose you want to do it for all